Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Quantum 910. In this video I'll show you how to connect your headphones to different devices. Firstly, let's take a look at the wired connection. Right here we've got this cable which has 3.5mm jack on both sides. Simply connect the side which is closer to this panel to mini jack in your headphones, and the second part you can connect to PC, smartphone or console controller like PS4, PS5, Xbox X, S and One controllers. And that's it. Next, let's take a look at the wireless connection. For wireless connection, firstly, we've got this switch. Turn on the headphones and push it upwards to activate Bluetooth connection. Thanks to this function, we can connect our headphones with smartphones. Now turn off the headphones, turn it on again, and take a look at this adapter. This is the USB-C to USB-A adapter, which we can connect to our console, PC, and other devices like Switch. This adapter has to be plugged to the PC. Once it's plugged, press and hold this button to start connecting process. The connection will establish automatically between the adapter and headphones. So once again, you can connect wirelessly your headphones to smartphone, PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch and other devices like Steam Deck or Lenovo Legion, etc. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.